Hey everyone, this is a special video. This is a freebie that you can get from Lego, starting from November 5th. I think it runs to the end of November, I think. It's the Diagon set. This is kind of like the mini modular sets, Bricktober sets that Toys R Us used to do 2 or 3 years ago. So it's kind of like a micro version of all the shops in Diagon Alley. You've got Olivander in here as well, who's a pretty neat minifig. I think he's unique to this set. He's not in any of the other Harry Potter sets at the moment, but if they do any more, they might put him in another set. So you've got Gringotts Wizarding Bank, you've got Olivander's One Shop, you've got Flourish and Bots, then you have the Quality Quidditch Supplies, and then you have the Weasley's Wheezes. Bit of a mouthful, that one. I've not read the books myself, but I've seen all the films. I'm not massively familiar with all the names of the places in here, but it's a cool little set. I'm just about to do a little time lapse with this, so check that one out.